What's going on, y'all? Today I'm doing one of my favorite apps, y'all. One of them advertisers. Double fried plantain. But anyway, let's get it. So we're gonna start off with that filling. We're gonna put our onions and our bell peppers into our pan that's got a tablespoon of olive oil in it. And of course we got a rain on it. Gotta hit it with that salt and pepper just to season that up to sweat them onions and bell peppers down. So let's go and give that a mixy mix. After that sweat down a little bit, we gonna add in 5 tablespoons of corn. Just canned corn, straight from the can, y'all. Nothing special. Just add to that flavor. Mix that up and let it cook down with that corn. Now while that's simmering, we're gonna go ahead and turn our attention to that plantain. We're gonna get it peeled. So we just cut both ends off and go ahead and peel it, y'all. It's a little bit harder than a banana, but it ain't that bad. So we're gonna cut these into lengths of probably about the width of your knife. Just cut it up and we ready to go ahead and get that into our oil, that hot oil. It's set at 350 and we get our plantains on in, and that's for that first fry, y'all. And to our mixture of our corn, we're gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes in now. So we just gonna cook that on down. Now this is where you're almost done because the tomatoes ain't gonna cook that long. You pretty much just warming them up. And of course we're gonna add in just a little bit of lemon juice. Give that a quick mix. And then go ahead and rain on it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's done, y'all. Now once your plantains have come up, you want them to just be floating on top of that oil. It's time to go ahead and get them out, y'all. Get them out. Because that first fry is done. So since we're making plantain cup, we have a 1/3 measuring cup and a 1/8 measuring cup. And what we're going to do, we're going to grab one plantain that we already fried, put it in that 1/3 cup, and take the other one and just smash it right on down. Which is just gonna make a perfect little cup, perfect little fried cup, so you can put that filling inside. And then we just gonna fry that one more time, just to get it nice and crispy. And once those come out the fry, we ready to fill them up, y'all. We ready to fill them up. So we gonna get them on our plate. Hit them with that mixture of that tomato, that corn, that onion, and that bell pepper. Oh my goodness. Those 3 flavors are gonna be so tasty with that crispy plantain, y'all. And right on top of that mixture, we gonna add us a little bit of cilantro. And of course, some of my sweet bell pepper sauce. I'll hit you up with a link below to put you right on that bell pepper sauce recipe. But look at that, y'all. Don't it look good? But anyway, love, peace. Keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.